Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Amazon account lock. If your Amazon account is locked, what you can do is account on hold. Check your email, spam or junk folder for notifications from Amazon. Follow the link in the email to the secure sign-in portal and complete the required form. What you may need is to attach an unexpired government issue ID and a recent billing statement or credit card statement matching your account details. Secondly, what you can do is two-step verification. Click didn't receive the OTP on the login screen and choose a backup method such as a voice number or secondary email. If you have no backup, click two-step verification account recovery on the login page. Amazon will prompt you to upload a government issue ID to manually disable 2SP, which takes about 1 or 2 days. And lastly, what you can do is billing or charge in this. Do not keep trying different credit cards. Contact your bank to ensure there are no holes on your card and re-verify the exact billing address you have on file. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.